Hi, I'm JT with WTI, and like many people, I hate poop, and by extension, I hate cleaning litter boxes. So this Popur X5 automatic litter box is more than just a convenience in our house. This is not our first automatic litter box, but the unique design has been much more effective due to the way that all of the litter passes through the filter grill and not just the top layer. For those less squeamish, at the end I'll show it in action with litter and a deposit getting dumped. Part of the design is a cardboard trash box, so make sure you find and assemble it before recycling the packing materials. This trash box works fine for our cats, but if yours destroys cardboard, there is a plastic option to buy. The supplied plastic bags fit great, and they're easy to put on and take off when full. Replacement bags and other accessories are available for purchase. Once you have it assembled and ready, I'd recommend connecting the Popur app and upgrading the firmware if it's not already up to date. I like that Popur receives feedback and provides improvements on the product. All right, while not graphic, here it is in action. Our cats were used to the litter box in a cabinet, but they seem to warm up to it pretty quick in its new spot. Eventually, we'll put it back in a cabinet, both to hide it and to make it comfortable for them. The machine does a great job of getting all of the litter sifted, and when it's done, it levels out the litter. You can adjust how many times it passes from 2 up to 5 times in the app. Overall, I'm really pleased with the performance of this Popur litter box, along with the support from the company. If you have cats and are looking for an automatic litter box that performs just like it says it will, this Popur X5 did not disappoint, and I think you'll feel the same way, but that's just my point of view.